Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Pushpit Roy and you are watching Noshi Action. So in this video we're going to talk about how you can set this kind of linear background, like background video in your desktop or your laptop screen. So first of all, make sure you are using Windows 10 or Windows 7. This will only work for any iOS operating system, not only for Mac OS. So let's get started. First go to Chrome browser. You can see, so now just type that my background, my live wallpaper, mylifewallpapers.com. You can see, now press it, the above link. Now you can see there is a lot more different type of wallpapers. Everything is kind of a .mp4 file. So how you can set up in your background? So for that you need to a software or application to load this kind of video. Just go to how to this option and press on this. After that you can see it's a kind of a tutorial video how to set wallpaper for your desktop, but we are creating this video. So here you can see this download option. Just press on it and start downloading your software over there. And it's kind of a portable version. You don't need to anything like just show in your folder and drag it over there. That's alright. Now just simply extract to a particular folder and just press on it, and you can see it's now open. I already add my two different type of wallpapers. So now I'm gonna stop this thing for showing you how you can set this kind of thing. Like for that I'm gonna do over there and pause this video. Now it's paused. Quite this application, you can see the background is completely blank. Now I'll reopen. Now just open this software, and for that you can see the first page you need this kind of setup. Because I already opened, that's why it loaded. So just choose a browse from there, and you need also this live wallpaper. For that you can find this kind of wallpapers over there. When you press on home you can easily download from there. Like example, if I choose this one, just set download and it start downloading through your browser or your default download manager. So for an example I'm gonna choose this wallpaper, and it's currently downloading through Mega app, and just press download. Start downloading now. Let's wait for a second. So for before we set, I'm gonna remove this thing. Okay, for that I'm gonna pause this thing. Now you can see it's completely paused and it's completed. So you can see it's done. You can also see from there it's kind of a video. So you can see I already downloaded over there. Now browse this, go to download. I think something is wrong. Let me jump up to the download section first. Okay, now it's loaded. Just place it over the desktop and browse your desktop site. You can find also in desktop. Gonna use this thing, add video, browse it, desktop, choose my wallpaper. It's done. You can also add background music. For that choose your music from your library. uh, playing lips music. So it's now playing kind of smoothie music, so it's kind of low. So if you want to set randomly, you can also do that, like add playlist entry, add your video. Gonna choose kind of this video first and apply, go back, then add another video, this one, apply, go back. You can change through this time, 30 seconds, it's okay. Active playlist, you can see it's showing now, so it's working. So I hope this video will be helpful for your purpose. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's no section after all. And if you get any trouble with this, you can comment down below. So by the way, these clips and songs are already copyright free. You can use it whatever you want. So thank you guys. Stay tuned for more.